Welcome to luxury land, guys.
Wow. What is this?
Heaven.
People all want luxury, but they don't want to pay the luxurious price tag.
I want the quality of a yacht life for the price of a pontoon.
We got you. My name's Michelle, and I've designed some of the most expensive homes in the country. Woo! But my small town roots have taught me one simple truth. Everyone deserves luxury.
Are you kidding? This is amazing.
This is overwhelming.
So my team and I have figured out how to get that luxe life for less.
Maybe we can repurpose something, recover it.
Painting a lot of rooms.
You can get mist tint paint for like 25 cents a gallon.
Really?
Luxury just takes you over.
This was a scratch and dent. All we had to do was change that one panel. You got your ring.
I want the money where we touch.
This looks really expensive.
What does that mean?
We don't have a lot of money.
Do you want a taste of the good life, but not break the bank?
No pressure.
Oh my God. I need a hug.
Oh